it's like it's.
Well, see,
Ooh, no, it's rough. Like to work like that, like no, yeah. I mean, yeah, it's. No, it's. Yeah, no, not even before that. I had someone in Vacaville, but she was really weird, like little odd, like yeah, like I guess they won't like tell people before they put you somewhere. Like
no, they didn't tell us.
Yeah, no, it's like yeah, no, like, I think it's a lot of like communication problems I hear from in the office. Like they don't really. Yeah, it's like I guess something.
Well, I told your partner, I said, Chanel and Shay, I will not associate with at all.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's a reason for it.
Mm.
I've had many run-ins with both of them.
Oh.
And then, well, one run-in was that they were saying that they were. You want to go there?
No, I guess.
They were saying that they were working for me at night.
Oh.
But they were not. Chanel was helping Shay say she was working for me at night.
Oh.
But here's the problem with that: no one was working at night.
Oh.
So they were lying to get Shay some money.
Oh yeah, no.
I was like, no, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, shit. Yeah, she knows a little. I mean, she likes to micromanage, and I don't like micromanage. Like it's. Yeah, she sent me to work with someone that was in the hospital. That was gonna be in the hospital for 6 months, and then she never went to the hospital to train me or anything. She just kind of like, oh, she never showed up. Like I was there for 4 hours. Like technically I can't leave, but even the mama remember was like, yeah, she never comes in when she says she will.
Shay has a habit of doing that. Or she has a habit of getting, just doing weird things.
Yeah.
And I'm just very against both of them. I don't like either one of them. And Richard's aware of that. That no, I'm sorry, I won't work with them. Chanel.
Yeah.
She's a piece of work.
Oh yeah. I mean, she's nice and everything, but she kind of working with her. It's kind of a little hard to work with.
Yeah, she is.
I mean, even at the house I was working, she makes someone else do her work, and she has, I guess she handles the support line and other things, and I guess she doesn't like having anyone else do that phone line that they have, but like half of the time she went because I know you're supposed to call if someone doesn't show up, or anything to call in and stuff, and
right.
She just like, oh yeah, I see the messages, but I fell asleep. It's like then have someone else do that phone line, but yeah, she's oh yeah, it's yeah, a little odd, but I'm with her. Yeah, oh yeah, no, yeah, she was kind of the one that moved me away from the Vallejo area just to Napa, and more like independent. Like that house I was in, you had to everything for them, and they don't really like train you. I mean, you shadow them, but they don't really like show you anything. You have to look in the binders that they have and see, okay, this is what kind of what to expect, or like, oh yeah, that's kind of hard.
Well, I'll tell you now, my binder isn't even complete, and I read what they put on me for my history, and it's like none of that's true. Some of it, yeah, okay, it is, but they've got me. But one of my ex-husbands and one of the guys I dated, they've got their names together. It's like, no, that's crazy.
No. I mean, they're supposed to update, I guess, like once a year from.
Well, they haven't been.
Yeah, it's just. Because I know the other person I was with, he old stuff, like a couple of years at least.
Okay, it's gotta be up here though.
Yeah, it's probably on the left side.
Yeah, I've seen it before, and it's okay. I've seen it before, but it's like, okay, now aren't you with?
It's right here. Ah, it's right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what I don't like about cars like this, but...
Oh, I miss driving.
Yeah, no, I mean, I kind of... Yeah, for road trips, yeah, just for... Not even where I live, it's like, I don't even like driving there.
Oh, I miss it. I used to go take long trips and just go, wherever,
Yeah.
just to get away.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, it's kind of like miss doing, like, yeah, oh, yeah, normally, oh, yeah,